welcome to the Concert Help channel. Today, we'll be covering how to share your remote access session. If you would like to review how to remote access into your virtual machine, follow the links in the upper right-hand corner of the video or in the video description down below. If your deployment run is already available, click on it, click Connect, enter your credentials, and at the bottom of the pop-up window, input the username of whomever you would like to share your remote access session with. If you'd like to watch more of these video tutorials, feel free to check out the Concert Help YouTube channel. Alternatively, you can visit the Concert Help site. And as always, the relevant links are in the video description down below. In the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using Concert.